I wanted to make this last resort quick reminder about the upcoming Brazilian Blowout event this coming Monday, January 20th. Now, not only is this an important day, being that it's Martin Luther King Day and also Inauguration Day, this is an important day when it comes to Brazilian Blowout because they are introducing their new formaldehyde-free smoothing treatment that's an alternative to the original formula, which, by the way, is not going away. This is not replacing that. This is for those people that want an alternative that doesn't have any fumes, gases, formaldehyde, or any of that. It is done differently, so you need to attend this free class in order to understand how to best get the best use out of it. And if you don't attend a live event, they tell us that you need to attend the live event in order to even buy it. So we're restricted to sell it to only the people that actually attended. So if you go to this class, please don't leave early because we need to make sure that you've been through the whole thing and understand everything about how to use it. And if you go, please make sure you ask plenty of questions. Get every single question answered because we don't want you leaving, going back to the salon, ordering this, and then not doing it properly. So just keep in mind, it is done differently. You know, it's a totally different process. So if you've been certified before, this is not going to cover you for that certification, or that certification doesn't apply to this. Each kind of treatment, the original formula, has a different certification than this new formaldehyde-free treatment. So if you love your original solution and you have no reason to even change, like if all your customers are happy with it and you're perfectly fine with it, you probably don't need to attend this, unless you just want to find out what is new and how it differs. And if that's the case, then I say, please attend, please register. You have to register in order to attend. And registration is done by Eventbrite. All you got to do is just put your name and email address in there and hit the submit button, and it'll put you on a email reminder. So hopefully it'll remind you the closer we get to the event, like the day of the event, when it is and where it's at. So it's going to be at One Ocean Resort in Atlantic Beach. It's in a resort hotel, beautiful hotel. Unfortunately, they charge for parking, as do most other resort hotels. So there's nothing we can do about that, but there's no charge for the event. So once you get there, just try to get there early and get a good seat. We're going to start promptly at 10 a.m. and try to get there, between 9:30 and 10, just to make sure you get the best seat possible. And I'm guessing we're going to probably have over 100 people. I don't know that for sure. We might get a whole lot more registrations between now and Monday. So be sure to get there, be sure to register, and introduce yourself if you're not already one of my clients. Just let me know. I'm an experienced rep that's been doing this for over 30 years. We've been selling Brazilian Blowout for about 15 years, and we were the ones that actually launched it way back in the day when it first came out. So we have lots of experience, whether I'm saying the salon center, and I do. And hopefully if you come and you're not my customer, you'll introduce yourself. Again, my name is Rich Rose. Well, if you're getting this email, you probably already know who I am. So I just want to make sure that I send out this last video. This is Thursday, and Thursday before the class. And so we got one more full day of registration. Tomorrow's Friday, and then we'll probably still take them over the weekend, but we kind of need to know a good solid number because we had to prepay for this whole thing, and there's refreshments and things like that. So they will be offering incredible deals at the event. Only buy if it makes sense for you, and don't feel pressured. But most people that attend this sort of thing, in the previous ones, they've actually bought either the small or the large intro. But only buy what makes sense for you. And they always seem to give you great intro deals, just like they've always have. So, keep in mind, I haven't even seen one of these events yet. So this is my first time as well. But just make sure you ask every question and make sure they answer every question to your satisfaction. All right, so this video has gone on long enough. I just want to make sure that you know where it's at. Please message me somewhere down below, or if you're a customer of mine, you already have my number. And just if you have trouble registering, I can help you with that. But it should be an entertaining event and also enlightening. And whether you invest in it or not, at least you know. And once you actually attend this, you're qualified to purchase. So if you don't do it tomorrow, or Monday, and you decide to do it somewhere down the line, maybe customers see this online and ask you to do this service on them, you'll already have this part out of the way. So I look forward to seeing you there. Stay safe. Try to leave a little bit earlier because I don't know what the traffic's gonna be like on Monday morning, but it should be a good event. And I appreciate you spending time to educate yourself. And if there's anything I can do, any questions I can ask, please let me know. Take care. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do. It's if you're not on YouTube, or this is not on YouTube, it's at Rich Rose, the number 1 on the YouTube search bar. And that's my YouTube channel. So I've got lots of videos that I post on a regular basis. So be sure to subscribe, hit the bell, so that you get notified when I upload a new video. All right. I'll see you there. Take care.